doing. Worked out. You came down.
Everybody, I'm over here at the Big Apron, the drift
We're
pit.
gonna ask you to kind of hold off till
Drift
later
pit.
on. We're gonna be using this
You wanna
time
see some
to
cars
drift
out
pit,
here?
show some of these
Let
guys
me know
how
what y'all
to run this
think.
layout.
We're about to show
Try
all the
to
cars
avoid
out here.
over.
Let's see what's going on. We're gonna start with one of the green Mustangs, just like similar to the one I
But
have.
yeah, drivers, meet us in the back of the pit in the neighborhood. We're getting lined up now in about 5 minutes. We're gonna go for a cruise through the layout.
A drift car. Mustang, just like mine. What it says on? Pretty cool. To expect is a drift car, pretty cool. We're gonna start from here and go all around.
They got like burgers over here.
What is this, a V8? Oh wow. BMW with a V8. Look at that. It's a drift car, another one, BMW.
Every dozen or so cars that like something like that.
All set up for drifting. The whole inside and everything. Let's go check out the other ones. Come on, babe. Oh, we got the woman over here too. There go another drifter car. Wow, we got a couple of them out here today at the Big Indian.
Bye-bye.
Got the motorcycles.
I think you need to bring your car up unloaded.
Haven't been out here in a minute. Got a lot of drift cars out here today. That BMW looks so familiar to me. Oh, that's a beautiful Mustang to be drifting. Wow, that's crazy. Check this one out real quick. Everybody know I'm a big Mustang fan. Gotta check this out real quick. Got the whole inside set up. It looks like, yep. Is yours?
Yeah, I drive it.
Nice. What you got into it so far?
Just an exhaust.
An exhaust?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's right around 300 horsepower.
300 horsepower? Wow. I'm a big Mustang fan. I own a couple of them.
Yeah, man.
Drivers, feel free to line up and get ready.
Yeah, everybody's getting ready. Check these out. We got the Z right here. Beautiful. I love Z's.
I ran it yesterday, but the tune was out of whack, so.
Oh man, we gotta go check that Dodge over there with the exhaust sticking up. Oh my goodness, this got a supercharger. Oh, it's crazy. Check this out. We gotta see this out there. Man, look at that. Two the same, but this one has exhaust sticking out. Let's go make some videos.
Now, normally when you go to a lot of tracks, you do the parade lap. You don't do anything goofy, you take it seriously. But we had some children in the back that wanted to see some tires squealing. I felt like I had to lead by example and just give them a little bit.
Steve leading the way right now. You're supposed to be in the zone, brother.
I don't want to mess up the flower. Obviously, you know what the zones are for.
It's gonna get messed up the second the car drives over. Who cares?
You look at this lineup and there's just one random old farm truck bombing around with some drift cars. And then drivers, you're going to exit right out the normal exit, but steady and slow through the pits today, guys. We got the water box right here to cool your tires off.
It looks like he fixed his door. Forgot to do one. Oh, fixed it.
Yeah, last week during the Army truck, you and him had a little incident.
Noodle man partying in the back of the neighborhood. Making his big sweet ooh. They caught him.
Damn, so we can't go up there, that sucks.
Looking at that, a little tricky, man. Kirby flips drone in pursuit right now. Not a bad run. There we go. Austin shooting out in the ready.
I'm sitting back here looking at the concession stands. We got a Raycon back here. You guys feel there. Lemonade, we got some lemonade for sale back here. It's a nice warm day. Come get some lemonade. We got the hot dog and burger stand back here. Selling your summertime classics. So, you know, go get a bite to eat. You know, it's gonna be a
Whoa,
long
what
night.
happened to
We're gonna
that
be partying
truck?
around.
He
We're
almost
going to the
crashed.
store right now.
That
You
truck
walk in
almost
there and they
crashed.
walk hot, fresh. You ain't gonna wait
There you
20
go.
minutes for it.
I have enjoyed getting out here with this giant truck. Hey, he's making it happen.
What does that mean? Forever eating.
the back of the neighborhood over here. In the house.
How is this? Doing donuts. There we go. I think we got an orange one coming by. Yep, there go the orange one.
Adam coming up around the house. Mr. Wise laughing around the island back here.
Oh,
There we go. I like it when they get sketchy.
too spicy.
Well, Fox, I'm getting word from the drivers. They are liking the layout. I've had two separate drivers tell me this layout. They said a bad word after that, but then the other one said this layout is sick. So, Paul, thank you, Aaron, did a hell of a job.
That's so awesome. That's so
It's a
awesome.
little bit sketchy. You gotta throw your car towards the wall, so. Then later on, we're gonna clear the cones.
Everyone is GTO Santiago. Please subscribe and share. It's pretty loud out here. I hope y'all can hear me. God bless and take care, everybody. Please subscribe and share. We got the big Indians.
Convenience store, that fresh made subs right where they all the chips, all the no problem. You see those beamers out here a lot. Very popular drift vehicles. The next vehicle coming out here is not popular at all for drifting. This dude is absolutely crazy for trying to do what he does in it, but he does it well. We got Evan Brand, 1977 or 78, at least screwed up, F-250. Big old farm truck, wheeling this big girl for you.
Crazy. That farm truck.
The wheels thing.
I like to see somebody drive a truck better. This man wheels.
If you've ever been out here, I'm sure you've seen him in Brand. I love that truck. He's got a 460 big block Ford in it, out of an RV. I say that's the show, but it's that cool. I think he's going to show us that. It is a Chevy Colorado. I'm going to stand back.
This is William Thomas.
This thing makes me nervous. This switch on this thing is very slight. That's not no scientific term. I just made it up. A real slushy light.
I'm not even a drink shot, man. Pretty cool, pretty cool.
The man's having fun right now. So, really, at the end of the day, he's fun. I grew up in the 90s. I was still there. Nicely done, sir. She looks just as she did what you had. Mold in the house tonight. This is some driving house. Give you a visual tonight. Oh, we got Badger now, Syracuse Nationals. One of the biggest car shows on the East Coast, Syracuse Nationals. If you're in the hot rods, if you're in the muscle cars, if you're in the modern muscle, if you're in the low riders, if you're in the drifting, you got Syracuse, New York, July 18th, 1920. And don't forget, guys, if you're new here, we are doing a 50-50 tonight. Viewers of Western New York, all the veterans in the area. So if you see men walking around, get your tickets. Don't make it a little fast. At the end of the working, so much for your money. So much for, you know, free money. And then allow Anthony Quinn, love this guy. Been in the drift community for years, him and his brother. I used to see this guy in the late 80s. One of the first cool guys. Out of the drifting. Miles E36. Ooh, good looking thing. This one all one color hard top. So that thing's a convertible. Put the hard top on. That's sick. I bet that top is probably $2 grand. Jacob Roach. I think that's the first time we've seen him tonight. Won't be the last. He might be coming out here for drift vacation. If you're into drifting, this is where you need to be this weekend. We got drift games. What that is, we give these guys tasks, games of skill to try in their car. Little man's walk away with $100 for one day. Get some gifts from the lounge. And everybody here already Alex. He's got 373 years in this one. Actually, no. Alex
Look how beautiful she looks.
He was just feeling this big girl back here. Put your hands up. Get outside. You're looking at 30 years old. She was that He deserves it. Let's go. Thursday night, here, baby. Let's go. I feel like Tulip Ben Weisscar weighed as much as that Crown Vic. Our buddy, our friend, he helped build this place, held and gambled, making his triumphant return. His LS Swamp 350Z. She's a driver too. She's gonna straighten to be
So today he's ready to tear it down.
Hey, when Calvin comes out here, it makes you want to say, Calvin will make you say, yeah. This is an epic diet version of Calvin's car. It's got the John Calvin just on here. Sliding around the lights from the just go ahead and
Remember that?
There's a right way up, right along here.
It's lining up to get rowdy up here, folks. There's about to be a one-wheel madness. And this is a challenging surface to rip on.
Dude, that is one big stuff that you pick it up and throw it down.
I tell you what, you see, if I never tried that, I'll fall right on my face. I won't have teeth by the time I'm done. Little nose stand uphill. That ain't easy.
Let's go. Make some noise, my boy.
Let's go. Kyle Slider, number 44, up on the seat. All over the place with this thing. Kirby flips in hot pursuit.
This guy is an absolute tank on this thing.
They call that big Indian serpent right there.
I've seen him take some falls where I'm like, no way, this guy's not gonna back up. Right up, pops up like a spring.
Oh, into a death spin is what they call that. That's a lot of weight to be thrown around. But it's just told. Oh, little switcheroo, turn around and say hello.
This is like an acrobat, but on a stunt bike.
Yeah, no way. Wow.
Folks, you like what you're seeing or what?
Let's go. You can only see that here at Big Indian, brought by Mr. Arab White himself, man. He does all this for you, folks. Make sure you're subscribed.
A handstand on the bike. Come on. He's kicking too.
You got millions of followers.
Yeah.
I follow him.
Kyle Slager, an absolute beast on these stuff bikes.
Like you said, you gotta check out his social media. His video on the Big Indian Motorsports page has millions of views. He's solicited by Rob Sturdy. And now here he is, right here at Big Indian, folks. Up on the team. Little wheelie. This guy throws this thing around for years and years of practice. You know how banged up all these BMX riders and stuff get, how hard that is. Now imagine running with a few hundred pounds.
Alright. Not only do we got Kyle Slager out here doing insane stunts, we got the beast of a wheelie man, Timbo Stunts, out here on the Harley. Look at that. Foot over the handlebars, wheelie up. That's what I'm talking about.
Harley Sportster.
Timbo Stunts. Awesome dude, awesome biker. Wheels up. That's a lot of big ones. And that's a lot of bikes.
Oh yeah, he looks like he's riding a bull and not a little one.
Then up next, we got the man who stunts picking that Harley up right from the clutch.
Oh, that guy giving a little gas out there on the highway, thinking about driving by.
I mean, where else can you come see stunt bikes every week do crazy stunts? Only at Big Indian Drift It, baby.
Oh, okay. I see my man Shaq in the house, man. Shout out to my boy Keith in the building. We got the rest of the used tool truck pulling on. I see Scotty Slides pulling in. Jameson and that good looking New Edge Mustang. Beautiful. A lot of work to that car. And you know what? The funny thing about Jay, not only is my friend, he's my mechanic, he's also one of our sponsors, Transit Auto and Towing. Shout out to them guys.
Woo! Shout out to 716 Pat out here getting busy on the ground. Oh, Oh, we got Timbo Stunts coming back out here on this little baby bike.
That's more my speed right there. That's my stunt bike. Stunt bike speed. I believe in you, Timbo. Do it
Dope
really.
ass black GT
Oh, you
Mustang.
can't? Alright.
I'm
Bring
ready
it
for
up
that.
there.
Oh my god.
No, don't. I'm not doing that.
They were just talking
I'm
about
gonna
it
go
in
go
2010.
viral.
I'm waiting for that. I want that one to come out, yeah.
The old little look behind, eh? Shout out my guy, just towed it. As I was saying, Transit Towing and Recovery, also Transit Auto Detail. They're my boys. 24-hour towing. They're our sponsor. Shout out to them boys.
Let's go. We got the boys out here.
Oh yeah, they're looking for a scan ovation, folks. This is not easy to do. It's actually a little workout too. These guys get practice doing this. Probably staying fit in the summertime.
Let's go. Dude, these guys are absolutely insane. You'll never catch me on two wheels. I'll tell you what, I'll be falling in the first 30 seconds.
Gotta get down with this motorcycle club. It ain't easy. It ain't easy getting down with this motorcycle club right here. You better be able to stand up and touch your toes. Oh, watch this guy. That looked like Steve-O from Jackass just running through the coast out here. Up the pins are falling down. He looks like a little plumber. Frankie the plumber's over there. All right, drivers. 7:30. Jack is coming up. He's going to turn this first right now. That's how this is. Yeah, people were talking. There was a little rumor going around. Hey, you brought in the professionals for the burnout competition. We're going to show you tonight what a professional burnout truck really is. This thing is making almost 1,000 horsepower, 427, big supercharger, 1958 Ford. Man, you don't see that body style often. All sorts of patina going on. This thing is around the burnout wars. This dude tours the country with this thing for the most legendary shows. So we're glad to have him here so we can show him how we do our show. and then more drifting, more burnouts, tires will pop, hot dogs will be, yeah.
I see that Dion Dawkins snow reaper in the house. Wonder when he's going to show up.
My bad. You're good. You're good. Don't worry about it. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. All the drift cars. Got the Cobra, I think it is, but it has a Coyote in it.
Does not have a lot of drifty goodies.
Oh, he's drifting over there real quick. There you go.
Where's the Mustangs at?
Parked. Mine's is parked.
This thing's gonna be a handful to get through here.
Yeah, that's big. That's the one I was waiting for. There you go.
This thing makes plenty of pop. Room. Let's go back to my room. Get him.
Oh man. Might as well just don't break it.
Spin them tires, Mo. Do it for John. Do it for John.
Oh, you went the wrong way, brother. It's all good. You'll figure it out. He's got it. Ooh, that clutch does not smell delicious. I can smell it over here now.
Yeah, dude, that thing's a really sick ride, but with no drifty goodies, that Coyote's not gonna get through here pretty easily. Just like the Colorado, the Chevy Colorado.
Yeah, he needs a driver mod. Also referred to as Gucci Bird.
Chevy Colorado. It's down with a So we got Kowski running. We got a Thursday night show to do. We got to hear these calls.
Beautiful.
That's more. I tell you, every time they got a lady in the car, their car does extra stuff, extra power, extra smoke, extra slides. Yeah, it's called supercharged.
I can't wait for those to come out.
Austin Bartholomew.
How you doing, brother?
He's been coming out for the drip league since the beginning also. He had a couple stunt bikes, party sports for a while. He had a couple burnout PDs at the beginning Charger and a Corvette.
Alright, drivers, start lining up.
Rand Dan, formerly D-Driver, Toyota Supra, Rand Industries, working buddies with him. So it's kind of a play on words. Rand Dan, Rand Dan. YouTube, just one of the videos that they have on this. They're so
Oh yeah, I can't wait till 7:30. We got Big Zach coming out at 7:30, folks. I tell you what, you better get your earplugs, because that thing is loud. You guys know the Burnout Wars brand new right here. This thing's got so much power, it just pours out power of Oh, they're getting close. Woo! That was a good run right there. Safe.
This right here, about to come out, BCC Zach. He runs an event called Burnout Wars. They put on Burnout Show with all of the domestic functions. And he's an absolute demon in this truck. It's a 439 CI Texas Speed. This is good.
This is what you wanted, right?
If you do not want to make it, you make sure behind you. Oh, okay, right.
some noise.